Hello, and welcome to Prose and Cons, a podcast by emerging writers for emerging writers. Because sometimes we feel like prose, sometimes we feel like cons. I'm the only one here today. It's an episode of one, and for that, it's going to be very short. Now, in reality, given the holiday season, everyone being very busy, particularly those of us that edit these episodes, we are going to skip this week, take the holiday season, just, be in the holidays, have some fun with our families, do all that. And then we'll be coming out with a brand new episode next week. So yeah, thanks for bearing with us. And I hope you have an amazing holiday season wherever you are, whatever you celebrate, whatever you choose to do, whatever you choose to observe. Maybe you have some time off work or some time off school or something like that. And maybe you can use some of that time to write, if that's what you feel like doing. I've been particularly busy lately with some large editing projects, so I'm thinking I might actually take some of my time off. I find that because I'm editing and doing things for other projects during the work week, it's usually in my time off that I find that I actually do writing for me and my own projects, which is a bit funny, but a bit reaffirming that even when I have time off, it's what I choose to do anyway. But I digress. Some quick little plugs, quick little reminders. Most important, at the bottom of each episode description on wherever it is you're listening to your podcasts, there is a contact form. So if you do have any questions about anything we talk about in a given episode, or if there's anything that you'd like to see more of, or if you just want to say hi, do reach out. That'd be really cool. We love to... It's just cool to talk to other people that like this stuff and care enough about it to talk about it. Other things, the new Mythic, it's been out it's over a year old now, but it's still fresh to death. That's on Amazon. You can get yourself a copy now if you'd like. You can order it as a Christmas present. It's been nominated for 2 Aurealis Awards, which is the premier Australian Speculative Fiction Award. It's been nominated for that twice against some of the biggest players in the publishing game. So, it's got some weight behind it. So you can get yourself a copy of that. The audiobook is coming along soon. There's been some cool stuff swirling in that space. We haven't just forgotten about it. That is actively moving, and it's very cool. We're all very excited. Anything else? We do have a newsletter, and there are people signed up to that newsletter. If you go to our website, Prose and Cons, no, that's not it. If you go to our website, precipicefiction.com, you can sign up for our newsletter there. You'll meet our lovely interdimensional mail delivery pigeon, Clarissa, who handles all our mail for us. She's great. You can sign up. And yeah, we send out emails every now and then just talking about cool things we got going on, or cool little tidbits, cool little whatevers. It's just a bit of fun. And yeah, that's about it. We'll be coming at you next week with a brand new episode. And until then, from all of us here at Prose and Cons, Allie, Alex, Paddy, Matan, James, and then myself, Phoenix, have a beautiful time wherever you are and whatever you're doing. And we'll catch you in a little bit. See you later.